Hello everyone, in this video we learn how to make business unit as default at invoice space. For that go to instance, home page, payables, go to invoices. Now go to create invoice page. In this page I want to make business unit as default without manual entry every time. I want to make this business unit as default. For that cancel. Go to setup and maintenance. Click here. Go to search. Query the task manage administrator profile values. Manage administrator profile values. Go to this task. Query default business unit. Now click create. Select profile level as user. Now query our username. Now select our profile value. I'm going to search my business unit Agrisol Indian business unit. Now save. Save and close. Now go to home page. First sign out. Again sign in. Now go to payables. Invoices. Now go to create invoice page. See here business unit made it as the default. In this way we can make business unit as default at invoice page. Thank you.